What we want to run here is never ever leave anything blank on your test. Start with definition. First thing first. By definition, I is equal to minus 1 squared, which means just like keys and locks, if I were to square something and the radical roots, which is over here, and the square here, liberates, unlocks the stuff inside. So by that token, minus 1 radical root, this whole thing is an I squared is equal to minus 1. This one is important. It'll come in a second. Started with a very simple I to the 7. I to the 7, I'm going to separate one of the i's out because I know it's an odd number. And let me get my pointers. So I is over here and I to the 6 is left. All I have to do is 6. I want to see how many of the I squares I can have. If it's an odd number, I'm going to end up with the odd number of minus 1's times to each other. So therefore the answer is going to be a minus 1. Okay, and then the final result will be minus I. So for the big numbers on the right hand side, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. First thing first, I'll separate the i's out. Okay, just like what we did before I to the 7th. And you'll see punching this big number 2, 5 ends with the 6 over here. Ends over here. If you punch in the calculator, you'll see the number you end up here is odd number. Since I squared is minus 1 over here, okay, times odd number of minus 1's, we're going to have a minus sign. So that's the final answer. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please share or comment on this video. Together we can make math easy again.